Information from the Spiking Insider has given that additional edge that I have in terms of information to know, who are the ones that is also invested in that company. So that gives me a lot of confidence and I know what I'm doing. Hi everyone, I'm Joe. I'm a life coach. I've been working with parents and young people, and I've been with Spiking since December 2020. Information from the Spiking Insider has given that additional edge that I have in terms of information to know, who are the ones that is also invested in that company. So that gives me a lot of confidence and I know what I'm doing. Through the regular interaction and attending the sessions that teacher Clemen would be sharing, a lot about the analysis of the markets, the economy, and the different companies, as well as the ability and the chance to ask questions, and to ask, really to clarify things that I do not quite understand. So to profit from my trading between 5 to 100%, I'm proud to say I have. In fact, sometimes it can be as fast as minutes. So between minutes to months, of course. So of course, there will be times that is longer, but there are times that is actually faster. In terms of the spiking software, one of the features that I like is really the easy ability to actually search out for the different companies, and also in terms of the different insiders that is invested in a company and to know what they have been doing. So it's like a one-stop shop and access whereby I can get a lot of the information that is organized in a systematic way, which if I were not to have access to it, I would think I would spend a lot of time and I may not even get access to it at the end of the day. Dr. Clemen himself really, in the first place when I heard about spiking, that caught me because of the crazy way that he delivered the lesson in a very real, engaging manner that is unscripted, and it is based on real-time markets information. And I learned through the coaching program in a very dynamic way, actually. So I really like and enjoyed that process of engagement and the way that is dynamic and the way that is live.